The following video is going to show you how to install dryer vent made easy in new construction, the roughing that's necessary. So you're going to have this fitting inside of the wall, and what you're going to do is you're going to run this fitting all the way up. You're going to tape all your pipes. You're going to put an elbow on the top, and you're going to leave this pipe loose inside of the wall. So this sheet represents the drywall finished in the house after everything's done. We've got our loose pipe inside of the wall, and what we're going to do is we're going to put this onto the back of the dryer. And when the dryer pushes into the wall, you give it a tap, and these little dimples in the end of this cone make dots that are on the drywall. And that allows you to locate the exact height and where you want your dryer to enter the wall. Then take a marker or a pencil and mark out where those dots are on the wall. Then you go to the template on your box and you cut out the full red square. Now cut out the white circle inside the template. Then go ahead and take a drill and drill out where these holes are. This is going to allow you to mark the drywall. Now you take the template and you line it up with your marks on the wall that the dryer made, and you mark your screw placement. These are the points that your anchors are going to go into. Now you're going to want to cut out the blue circle. Now this gives you the size of the actual drywall hole that you need to cut. So what you do is you line up your hole marks with the ones that you made previous, and go ahead and trace the outside of your template. This gives you your rough opening. Cut this hole out. Remove the drywall. Now inside here is going to be your pipe. It's going to be able to move around. Okay, now it's time to install the anchors. In this case, we have a stud here and here, but we're going to use one drywall anchor up on top. If you need to use drywall anchors all the way around in all four spots, you can. We're going to install the housing to the pipe. Put your hose clamp on first. Slide the housing, level it up, and then look over the top. Then go ahead and tighten your hose clamp and push your housing back into the wall. Okay, so you take your faceplate, your rubber seal, you line those up so everything's centered on the unit. Okay, so everything's lined up. Screw that in. Now this screw I just put through the plastic, and it goes into the bottom plate. That pins everything together in its exact location. That's the final installation. Now this goes on the back of your dryer, and when you push your dryer in, it will push through, make that seal, and you're done.